Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild theme on piano. We will begin by focusing on the main melody, which is played by your right hand. Identify the initial notes, starting with a G, and practice them slowly. Concentrate on the first 4 measures to build a solid foundation. This initial step is crucial for developing muscle memory and ensuring correct note placement before adding more complexity. Next, let's introduce the left hand, which provides the harmonic foundation. The left hand typically plays simple arpeggiated chords, often consisting of just 2 or 3 notes. For instance, you might play a C major arpeggio. Practice these patterns independently until they feel comfortable. Then, slowly begin to coordinate your left hand with the right hand melody, ensuring a smooth and consistent rhythm between both hands. Now it's time to bring both hands together. Start at a very slow tempo, perhaps half the speed you eventually desire. Focus on the synchronization between your right hand melody and left hand accompaniment. Once the notes are secure, begin to add dynamics. Think about where the music should be softer or louder, creating a more expressive performance. Gradually increase the tempo only when you feel completely comfortable and accurate. To truly master this piece, consistent practice is key. Utilize a metronome to refine your rhythmic precision, starting at a slow beat and gradually increasing it. Listen to the original Breath of the Wild theme frequently to internalize its unique feel and stylistic nuances. Aim for several short, focused practice sessions each day, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes, rather than one long, exhaustive session. Enjoy the process of bringing this beautiful music to life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.